I eat right. I'm always out and doing something. I'm blessed with natural energy, so I have to figure out how to channel it. So, like when I'm done here, I've been running around New York all day doing interviews. When I'm done here, I'm going to eat our special Atkins thing that we're going to make in 2 seconds, and then I'm going to go work out. Like that's how I get my energy.
45 minutes, hour. How long is the workout?
No more than an hour because I crush it. I get in there and I actually now at 54 they're going just slow it down a little bit, right? But part of it's lifestyle. You know, I do a high protein, very low carb diet. And listen, I love my pizzas. I do. I have my cheat days. I'm not perfect, but for the most part, I really try to keep it sort of strict.
So you started working with the Atkins diet group,
which is the OG. I've tried all of these over the years, the paleo, the this, that, but Atkins is they invented it, really, 30 plus. And you knew Dr. Atkins?
I did. I'm so honored. I met Dr. Atkins, and he wrote his first paper in the early 60s, and people crucified him. Because the idea that you wanted to eat a lower carb diet, which was so foreign, but he went back and looked at what happened in Ireland, and that's 100 years earlier, and he very methodically chronicled it. So he made a big dent in how we recommend people to eat now. Let's show people how easy it is.
Yeah.
We're actually going to make something that Rob eats.
This is my breakfast.
Yes, his breakfast. But when I read about this, I always have Greek yogurt and berries every morning. This is me. This is this morning's picture. That's this morning. You can see it looks just like me. Same haircut, right? But Rob eats granola, right? And he usually is, most granola, everybody, you admit it to yourselves, is sugar, and carbs, right? 100%. His granola isn't. It's all protein. And I'm going to call it from now on the Rob Low-Carb granola.
I like that.
Rob Low-Carb. I like it.
Yeah, very clever.
So we're going to go through it right now real quick. These are the ingredients for everybody. Super simple. And again, there's no sugar really added, right?
No, it's fun stuff. You got your coconut oil. You got some pecans, flax seeds, sunflower oil, shredded coconut. Vanilla extract to make it yummy.
Little cinnamon, little tiny bit of peanut butter. So some natural sugar, like the pecans might have a tiny bit, but nothing extra added to it.
Right.
Then this is so simple, you can do it without thinking twice. First of all, you put a little bit of coconut oil and some peanut butter, and it looks like this after about 10 minutes, right? Don't burn the pan. Right. And then you just basically add everything else. You get the flax seeds, I got the sunflowers, you put it in here.
A little bit, just a little bit.
Mix it up in there, mash it up, shredded coconut.
I like that.
Here's the cinnamon.
Okay, just a dash of cinnamon. I don't like too much. There you go.
See, I love cinnamon because it actually helps your liver deal with sugar.
Now that we want, all of it.
We want all the vanilla.
Give me the vanilla.
Okay, you mix this baby up, and then once, after 10 minutes, you've gotten this all warmed up together, you then plate it out like this. Super simple. Put a little wax paper underneath it. 20 minutes at about 350 degrees. That's all you really need. And when it comes out, it looks like this.
It's a yummy thing.
Like this.
Should we see how the gang likes it?
Let's please the audience. Now, I want some honest answers back here.
All right.
Honest answers. I don't want the usual, of course it's Rob Lowe giving it to me. Of course it's good. So go ahead and take some.
Welcome to the program. Here's your little snack. You need to keep your energy.
Now, go ahead and give it a taste. We'll see what you think.
It's very arduous watching this program,
now,
I understand.
Does the granola taste better, or does having Rob Lowe give it to you taste better?
Obviously it does, yes.
It's better than he gave it to you? Mm-hmm. If I had given it to you, would it have tasted good too?
Close, but
not as good.
Thank you.
Not as good.
I love it. Thank you.
Honest opinion.
It's great. I think it would be even more delicious with yogurt.
You know what? It's a good point because we make it that way. Do you like the crunchiness of it?
I do. Yeah. It's delicious.
And you can spice it up. You can add extra stuff, but it's the Rob Low-Carb. It's the low-carb part you want. Happy customer?
Love it. Really nice.
All right, so
don't want a percentage of this new venture we've just created.
Okay, fine. We're going to eat 50-50 partners. You can take a little more because it's named after you.
All right, good.
Yogurt, berries, and some of this, and you are good to go. And this is not a hard thing to do, guys. Inexpensive, fast, easy, fun. Everyone will be happy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.